Hello everyone, today I'll walk you through the simple steps to see who follows you on Snapchat. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat and log in. Launch the Snapchat application on your device. Log in to your Snapchat account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Open your public profile. Within your profile, locate and tap on My Public Profile option. This will display your public profile information. Step 4. View your followers. On your public profile page, you'll see the number of followers you currently have. To see who these followers are, navigate back to the profile page. Step 5. Access your friends list. Tap on the My Friends option to access your friends list. Step 6. Identify your followers. In your friends list, you'll find users who are your followers. These are the users who have added you on Snapchat. Followers whom you have also followed back will be displayed in the main friends list. Users who follows you but whom you haven't followed back will appear in the Add Friends section as pending request. You can choose to accept or ignore this request based on your preference. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to see who follows you on Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.